What's up YouTube? I've got a tutorial for you guys today about how to create this Star Trek logo, and it's not going to be using shapes or anything. Actually, it's going to be using the Pathfinder tool, and it's going to be sped up for you guys so that it goes by quickly. And I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, per usual, we'll go ahead and click our regular artboard, which is 1280 by 720 points. We'll click Create. Go to File, we'll click Place, and we will find this logo, which is right here, and we'll go ahead and place it down the size that we want it, and that's pretty good. So now we're going to go into the speedy mode. And there you have it. That is a Star Trek logo as seen on TV. So thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video. I will have more talking in future videos, and next Monday we'll be going back to our general book review videos. I just wanted to do one more graphic design video for you guys. So that's all I got. Thanks again for watching. Bye.